Hi, we're at the Hong Kong Lighting Fair Autumn Edition. Now I'd like to introduce you to our DMX and RDM series. These are the DMX and RDM Masters steers above, and the DMX and RDM decoders below. This is 36 channels, and this one is 5 channels. This is a small master control for wireless to DMX. Through this master control, you can use the remote control or through the smart app to control DMX devices. And this is some decoding equipment, some waterproof devices. This is a 4-channel waterproof decoder. This is a high-voltage LED strip decoder. And this one is a DMX to 0-10-volt decoder. This is a 4-channel decoder. And this is a DMX and RDM signal amplifier repeater. This one is a signal amplifier. We also have an 8-channel one. This is a 200 watts DMX power supply. This one is an RF or Wi-Fi to SPI controller. This is a DMX to triac dimmer. And this is a master controller. It's an ArtNet to DMX controller. It has 4 domains. Each domain can control 512 DMX addresses. And here, you can access DMX programming software such as Madrix, Sunlight, Luminaire, DMX Workshop, etc. via Ethernet. Once you've programmed it, you can record these programs on the SD card, and then when you insert the SD card, the master controller can be detached from the programming software, automatically play the program's effects. And this panel, we have a wireless RF or Wi-Fi to DMX version. You can also use the remote control, or use the smart app to control this panel. This panel then transfers the signal to the DMX decoder. And this is the RDM tester. For example, in some projects, you can easily set the DMX address of all decoders or other RDM parameters. Then here, I would like to highlight our new DMX constant current decoder this year. The current of its 4 channels can be set by pressing the button. The setting range is 100 to 700 mA. Each step is 10 mA. The current of each channel can be set differently. For example, the first channel can be set to 100 mA. The second channel can be set to 300 mA. The third channel can be set to something else. Then the fourth channel can be set to 700 mA. In this way, each channel can be set to a different current. It also has a very important function. Let's say you're hooked up to many of these decoders in a single project. You just need to set the address of the first decoder, and the addresses of all the following decoders will be assigned automatically, so you don't need to set them manually one by one. So it's very convenient. This is the overall introduction of the DMX board. Thank you, everyone.